The security minister, Dr. Horace Chang, said Jamaica will take in Haitian orphans because Haiti's situation is getting worse. He mentioned this when asked about sending Haitian migrants back to their country quickly. Some people criticized the government for this. Recently, the government said no to 37 Haitians asking for asylum. But Dr. Chang explained that the places they returned to in Haiti weren't as dangerous as places like Port-au-Prince. He said Jamaica will take in kids from one orphanage and 57 World Bank workers because of the trouble in Haiti. He also said Jamaica is working hard to keep its borders safe as Haiti's violence goes up. Dr. Chang said Jamaica can't handle lots of Haitians coming in. He mentioned that Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Foreign Affairs Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith are working with others to help Haiti. He also mentioned that most Haitians fleeing don't come to Jamaica. They usually try to get to North America through places like the Bahamas or South America. In the meantime, in Jamaica, controversy brews as Jamaica announces acceptance of Haitian orphans and World Bank staff.